Hello world, I'm here to introduce you to Bins Plus, the latest development on Adaptive Agriculture's IoT system. Bins Plus is a free web app that you can use to manage your inventories, collaborate with other users, and monitor and control your grain bin from any smart device. So let's check it out. When you log into the dashboard, the first thing that you're going to see is going to be a bin dashboard. It's going to have a total inventory that's going to be broken down into your different grain types you have, followed by a bin utilization section. This is going to give you a quick visual on how much storage capacity you have in the current bins you're using for each grain type. You can click any of these, and then they will show you your current bins that have barley or durum. Lastly, the bottom section will show you all of the different bins that you have. You can click any of these bins to go to the bin page, but your dashboard currently has no bins. So let's rewind a little bit and let's create our first bin. Now that we have a fresh dashboard, let's get started with making our first bin. Use the button that you can see right over here to get started. The first screen that you'll see is going to get you to name your bin, add the height, diameter, and capacity, as well as the shape of your bin. Let's do that now. The fan section is where you can select the fan that you have on your bin. The sensor section is where you can connect any of our Bindapt Plus devices or other smart devices to your bin. We're going to skip that for now, but we'll definitely connect a device shortly. The inventory section is where we're going to fill out what type of grain we have and how much. Let's do that now. Now that we have all the information filled out, we can submit it and we can create our very first bin. And there we have it. We've created our very first bin. We have 3,000 bushels of barley in bin number 1. You can see the visualization of the bin right here, as well as how many bushels you have in the corner. There's 3 main functions in the bin page for free users that don't have connected devices. That would be the visualization tool, notes section down here, and bin history, where anyone that makes a change to the bin, it will be automatically logged here so that anyone can see the changes that have been made. Let's see what this bin looks like on our dashboard. As you can see, out of all of our grain that we have 100% barley, and we have 3,000 bushels. We've got 3,000 bushels out of 5,200 of storage, and you can see our bin here. Now, let's connect the Bindapt Plus device to our digital bin. First, click the bin that you'd like to connect your device to. Go to the gear wheel in the top right corner, and then go to the Sensors tab. Here, we can select the device that we want to connect to our bin. Now, we can choose the sensors that we'd like to attach to this bin. We're going to attach the plenum sensor, the heater, temperature and humidity cable, and the pressure sensor. Once we press submit, it will populate our bin visualization tool. Now we can see a heat map for our temperature and humidity cables, as well as values for the low, average, and high. We have the plenum sensor readings for temperature, humidity, and then also the static pressure in the plenum. Now that our bin's connected to our Bindapt Plus device, we can use the 2 graphs to the right of the bin visualization to pull any of the individual components' data, such as the plenum pressure or the plenum humidity. You can drag your cursor along the graph to see individual readings at different points in time. Underneath the graph, you can change the duration that you want the data to be displayed for. Now, let's share this bin with another user. But first, let's leave them a note in the notes section. Hello. To share a bin, you need to go to the top right-hand corner and click the 3 dots, and click the share button. You can share it to their email and give them varying permissions. If you just want them to be able to view the inventory levels, you can just keep the permission as view. If you want them to be able to edit the bin, share the bin, or manage users on the bin, you can check these as well. So let's fill this in. My bin has been successfully shared to support adaptive agriculture. Now, I'm going to log into my other account and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, I'm back in my other account now, and let's find that bin. So, we know that it was full of barley and that its name was bin number 1. So, I'm going to filter by barley and I can see bin number 1. So let's check it out and see if we can see the notes and also the history that's been logged. I can see my note right here saying hello, and also right beside all of the history that's been logged for the different things that I've been trying out throughout this tutorial. Well, I hope that this was very informative for you guys, and I hope that you try to test out our free inventory system. Give us any feedback that you have. We are constantly developing additional features to this, and we're just really excited to offer it as a tool to help farmers manage their grain bins. Thank you, and have a great day.